Meaning of housemaid's knee.
Housemaid's knee.
Housemaid's knee.
Housemaid's knee.
Housemaid's knee. Housemaid's knee is a colloquial term used to describe a condition called prepatellar bursitis. This is an inflammation of the bursa, a fluid-filled sac that cushions the knee joint. It occurs after repetitive kneeling or trauma on the kneecap, which can cause pain and swelling. The name housemaid's knee originated from the fact that domestic workers who spent long hours kneeling on hard floors were often affected by this condition. The result is a painful and sometimes debilitating injury that can limit a person's mobility and ability to perform daily activities. Treatment options include rest, ice, compression, and anti-inflammatory medication. In severe cases, aspiration or surgery may be necessary to drain excess fluid and alleviate symptoms.